Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn remove by query API call, which is useful to remove many rows or documents in a single API call. This API works in the same way for all database types. Let's take a look at the data. Here we have two documents with customer ID 1, customer ID 2, and let's try to remove both of them in inventory array operation collection. This is our query for that. We'll simply send that and it will return the deleted rows, deleted count and IDs array. If you are interested in more detail how to construct this find object, check out our documentation. It has examples of all the supported operators. Let's check our data and they are removed. Let's send again and we'll get everything as a empty array 0 empty array.